Solving logarithmic equations, we will be using these properties a lot. So everything in red, log of a times b. By default, I assume it is base 10, but that works for any base. Log of a plus log of b. Log of a divided by b is log of a minus log of b. And then log of a equals to log of b. This is a one-to-one property. Then a is equals to b. So we will be using this a lot. And then this also applies to natural log, which is ln. So starting with the green problem, do you see that they are all base 3? So base 3, base 3, base 3. And then on the left hand side, you have a plus. So that means you will write log base 3. And then you multiply x times x minus 3. And then the other side is also log base 3. And then you have parentheses negative x plus 35. Now check. Left side is base 3, right side is base 3, and then you have this on the left and then this on the right. So therefore, using one-to-one property, you can set them equal. X times x minus 3 is equals to minus x plus 35. And then we solve for x. Left side distribution, x squared minus 3x equals to negative x plus 35. Let's move all the terms to the left. X squared minus 3x plus x minus 35 equals to 0. Simplify. You have x squared minus 2x minus 35 equals to 0. So this is a factor a quadratic equation. So which is a positive 5 and a negative 7. X plus 5 and then x minus 7. 5 times negative 7 is negative 35. 5 plus negative 7 is negative 2. And then using zero product property, you have x equals to negative 5 and then x equals to 7. Now, one other thing that you have to notice is there is an extraneous solution. First of all, x equals to 7 is a solution. And then this is an extraneous solution. I'm going to use a different color to box that. So this is an extraneous solution. Do you know why? So here is why. You let x equals to negative 5, right? What happened when x is equals to negative 5? Follow this here. What happened when x is equals to negative 5? Can you have log of negative? No, log of negative is undefined. I don't really care what the base is. Base 3, I don't really care. Log of negative, ln of negative is undefined. So I should put this right here. ln of negative and log of negative, they are undefined. So when you solve logarithmic equation, always look for extraneous solution. I'm not saying there is always an extraneous solution. You just have to look for it. All right. Moving on to the next problem. The next problem we have, let's do the red one. We have on the left hand side, we have base 16, and then this is a minus. So the left hand side is log base 16, and then x divided by x plus 1 equals to 1/2. But there is no log on the other side, then I will just put this in exponential form to eliminate the log. So this is a 16 to the 1/2 equals to x divided by x plus 1. So 16 to the 1/2 is 4 equals to x divided by x plus 1, because 1/2 power is a square root. And then you will multiply both sides by the denominator. 4 times x plus 1 equals to x. Distribute the 4. You have 4x plus 4 equals to x. And then this is what? This is a 3x, right? 4 minus 1 is 3 plus 4 equals to 0. Then what is x? X is equals to negative 4 divided by 3. Is this an extraneous solution? Of course, yes. What happened when you plug in this negative over here? I don't need to check the other parenthesis. Is log of negative defined? The answer is no. Log of negative Ln of negative, they are all undefined. I don't really care what the base is. So therefore, negative 4 over 3 is an extraneous solution. Then can we figure out another solution? Nope. We have x equals to negative 4 over 3 is an extraneous solution. Extraneous solution means you did all the work correctly to reach to an answer. However, this solution doesn't fit into the equation. All right. Moving on to the next one, we have a problem right here. So that is a 5 times log base 3 and then ax equals to 10. All right, so let's divide both sides by 5. We have log base 3 and then ax equals to 5 divided by 10. 10 divided by 5 is equals to 2. And then this is 3 to the second power equals to ax from logarithmic form back to exponential form. 9 equals to ax. I should just put this like right here to save a little bit of space. We have a 9 equals to ax and then x equals to 9 over 8. Is this an extraneous solution? The answer is no, because when you plug it into x, you have log of positive. So this is a solution. And then moving on to the next problem. The next problem, we have an ln, right? So we have an ln x plus 2. All right, I will copy the problem for you, so you don't need to go back and forth. So this is ln x plus 2 and then plus ln x minus 7 equals to ln of 10. Okay, so we have a plus, then on the left side is ln x plus 2 times x minus 7. And then this side is ln of 10. So we have ln on the left, ln on the right, then using 1-to-1 properties, x plus 2 times x minus 7 is just equals to 10. And then you can expand x squared plus, actually it's a minus 7x plus 2x minus 14 equals to 10. And then this is x squared minus 5x. Negative 14 minus 10 is minus 24 equals to 0. And then you can factor, I have x minus 8 and then x plus 3. Negative 8 times 3 is negative 24. Negative 8 plus 3 is equals to negative 5. So we have x equals to 8. That should be safe. But x equals to negative 5, we have to check. When x is equals to, did I say negative 5? X is equals to negative 3, I see a problem right here. X is equals to negative 3, that is negative. And this one is negative as well when x is equals to negative 3. So therefore, unfortunately, when x is equals to negative 3, I have called that an extraneous solution. I have some space here. Let's do one more problem. So the last problem, how about this? Let's do an ln and then square root of x plus 3 equals to 1. How's that? So this is a base e, and then you have e to the first power equals to the square root of x plus 3. And then what? Square both sides. All right. So square both sides. And then you have e squared equals to x plus 3. And then what is x equals to? X is equals to e to the second power and then plus x, right? E to the second power minus 3. Does that fit? Let's check. So we have check. We have ln square root of e squared minus 3 plus 3. So that is equals to ln square root of e squared, which is ln e, which is equals to 1. So this is a check. the square and the square root got cancelled, right? First, we get rid of the negative 3 and 3, and then we use the square and the square root to cancels with the square root, and then ln is equals to 1, so the answer is a solution. Alright, so that is the end of this video. If you like the way I explain solving logarithmic expression, give this video a thumbs up. If I am the math teacher that you are looking for, give my channel a subscribe. Trust me, it is worthwhile coming back to visit my video. I will meet you all in the next lesson for more math contents. Signing out.